Sify provides a secure, high-performance network service designed to seamlessly connect your on-premises, data center, and cloud environments. With Sify's Global Cloud Connect or GCC, you can experience a cost-effective and resilient infrastructure that ensures consistent, low-latency connectivity to keep your enterprise workloads running smoothly. Global Cloud Connect leverages advanced routing techniques to securely and efficiently move data across all points in your hybrid IT landscape, enhancing data flow, optimizing performance, and ensuring secure data handling across environments. In this demo, let's explore how to avail Global Cloud Connect through Sify, our intuitive and user-friendly portal, to achieve secure, end-to-end workload connectivity. To avail Global Cloud Connect services, start by logging into the Sify portal. On the login page, enter your email ID and then click Login. Then, enter your password and then click Login. Once you have logged on to the Sify homepage, you will be able to view details such as name, customer's code, and the products that you have subscribed to. On the left panel, you'll find the network icon. Under Network Services, you'll find GCC. Click GCC. This takes you to the Global Cloud Connect page. On the Global Cloud Connect page, existing customers can view their list of orders and check the status of order requests. When a new order is placed, it progresses through various stages in our system, each marked by a different order status. While you are in the process of selecting the products for your order, the status will be shown as draft. If the request is being evaluated for feasibility, the status will be shown as checking feasibility. Once the order has been reviewed and is feasible to fulfill, the status will be shown as feasible. If some links do not meet the criteria and cannot be fulfilled at this time, the status will be shown as partially feasible. Once the purchase order document is generated and awaits your approval, the status will be shown as awaiting signature. Once the customer signs the document, the status of the order will be shown as order signed. Once the order is placed successfully in the ERP system, the order status will be changed to order placed. Once the sale order number or the booking number is generated, the order status will be moved to order completed. Once the product is delivered, the order status will be shown as order implemented. To place a new link order, click New Link. The new link page appears. First, provide the implementation address. There are two types of locations, data center and custom location. Data centers are Sify's listed data centers, while custom locations are private locations that require review by the Sify team. For this demo, select Data Center. Then, select the required state and city for the data center. In the Select Data Center dropdown, you can find a list of available Sify data center locations for the selected state and city. If you don't find your preferred data center location, you can select Not Listed and provide your preferred data center location details. However, this requires review by the Sify team. For this demo, select Title as the data center. In the Local Contact Person section, enter the first name, last name, mobile number, and email address of the contact person. Click Next to proceed. Provide the service provider details. The available cloud service providers are AWS, Azure, Oracle, and Google Cloud. AWS and Azure offer two types of peering, public and private. For Oracle and Google Cloud, only the private peering type is available. For this demo, select Google Cloud as the cloud service provider. As only the private peering type is available for Google Cloud, it is automatically selected. Then, select Cloud Node. Google Cloud is only available in Mumbai, select Mumbai as the cloud node. Then, select connection type. There are two options, fiber and wireless. The wireless option offers speeds up to 50 megabits per second, while the fiber option starts at 10 megabits per second and goes higher. For this demo, let's select wireless. Then, select the required bandwidth. Then, select transport type. There are two options, Layer 2 and Layer 3. Choose the required transport type. Once the selections are made, click the Submit for Feasibility button. A success dialog box appears with a message location is feasible. Selecting Sify's data center automatically marks it as feasible, with no further evaluation required. Click OK. This takes you to the GCC homepage. Find the newly created GCC request listed in the Feasibility tab with the status feasible. If you want to create another GCC request with a custom location, click New Link to initiate a new request. The new link page appears. Provide the implementation address. Select Custom Location. Then, enter the appropriate first line of address and the second line of address. The third line of address is optional. Select the state and city. Enter the PIN code. Latitude and longitude are optional, enter them if required. In the Contact Person Information section, enter the appropriate first name, last name, mobile number, and email address. Click Next to proceed. Provide the service provider details. For this demo, select AWS as the cloud service provider. Then, select the cloud node. For this demo, select Chennai. Then, select connection type. For this demo, select wireless. Then, select the required bandwidth. For this demo, choose 50 megabits per second. Next, select transport type and choose the required transport type. Select the type of peering. For this demo, choose private. Then, click Submit for Feasibility. A success dialog box appears with a message. The request is sent to Sify team for a feasibility evaluation, which might take 3 to 4 working days. Click OK. This takes you to the GCC homepage. Find the newly created GCC request listed in the Feasibility tab with the status checking feasibility. Let's proceed with our previous request, which is already marked as feasible. Click View Plans to continue. The plan selection page appears. Sify offers 3 contract periods, 1 year, 2 years, and 3 years. Review the charges breakdown for details. Select the required contract period. If you require any value-added services, such as a bundled router or managed services, click Add. Value-added services page appears. If you want a bundled router at managed services, select the respective checkboxes. Note: without selecting a bundled router, you cannot select managed services. Review the charges and then click Add to Quote. Find the quote for selected services appear in the Value-Added Services section. If required, you can edit or delete the selected items by selecting Edit or Delete Item. Click Next to proceed. The View Pricing Details page appears. To download the proposal document, click Download Proposal. To proceed, click Add Ship to, Bill to. This takes you to the new link page. On the new link page, enter the shipping details. Note that by default the system displays the shipping address of the location you had previously selected. Enter your company's GST number. Next, add the billing details. The billing will be sent to the address that you specify. You can select an existing address or create a new address. For this demo, select Existing Address. Then, select the billing state and billing address. If you want to provide PO reference number, select Yes and provide the PO reference number. For this demo, let's keep the default selection, No. Then, click Next to view the purchase order. This takes you to the Sign Order page. If you're the authorized signatory, you can proceed to e-sign the purchase order document. If not, share the document with a designated signatory for their approval. To e-sign the document, Click e-sign and follow the prompts to complete the process. To e-sign the order document, click Continue. This displays the order document. Click Sign to apply your e-signature in the order document. Your signature will be applied on the purchase order document. Now, click Finish to successfully complete the signing of document. If you are not the authorized signatory, you can share the order document with the designated signatory for approval. Click Share. In the Forward Order Document box, enter the required name and email address in the To section. Optionally, enter the required names and email addresses in the CC section. You can share the document with up to 5 people. Then, click Forward. Order document has been shared successfully. Note that the authorized signatory receives an email for signature. The designated person should either click the Click Here to Sign button or the link in the email received and follow the steps to sign the document. Click OK. Once the document is signed, the ordering process is complete. You can now go back to the Sify portal. Note that the status of the request is now updated as order placed. The order is now with Sify's delivery team for implementation. You will be notified via your registered email once the order is implemented. To view the signed order, click View. You can download the signed order document from the Plan Details page. You have now successfully set up the Sify Global Cloud Connect service with your chosen configuration. Your secure network is ready to support efficient, low-latency connections between your on-premise, data center, and cloud workloads, optimized for smooth business operations. For any questions, you can always contact us at sify@sifycorp.com. We will be happy to help you with the services you need.